Hello, everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Love. My name is Stephanie, and today we are doing something really exciting. I love doing this. Today, I am going to teach you one of my games that I do in the classroom. Now, this is not only for teachers, but this is also for tutors, but you can use this game inside the classroom and outside the classroom. Are you guys ready? It is so simple, but it's like the best. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. I am going to just share my screen really quickly. Okay, so this is Canva. And the first thing we're going to do for our hide and seek game, we are going to add a background. I am going to do a park background, and we're just going to go ahead and put the park. Now, kids are going to grab different objects in the picture to guess where is the treasure. So let's say that you said the treasure, the winner is the one that finds the golden star. Okay, so we are going to have that winner as well, but we need like objects. So we need to go to graphics and we need to, or you can go to photos too, but we need graphics so they can click on it to see if it is, what they're looking for. So we're going to go here and actually like this one. And I'm just going to build my park. So you go ahead and build it how you like. And then the kid goes like, I think the prize is going to be in the side. And you click a side like that. It's going to be super cute. You're going to see. Okay, so I have this. And then I'm going to put kids. The more graphics you put, the longer the game is going to be. And it's going to be really fun. Even the middle school kids would love this. Like at the end of class, 1 minute, 2 minutes, each kid one day and see who the winner actually is. It's really fun. Okay. Okay, let's say that I have this, right? Doesn't it look cute? And then they're seeking, right, the red star. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 more slides. Right, 2 is going to be my question. So I'm going to go to text and let's say I'll do like 1 plus 2. I'm going to make this pretty big. And then I'm going to put like a present. That's kind of what I want. So I'm going to click this one because I want them to answer the question as a review for them to open the present. And then the present's going to be in the next slide. So let's say that they did not get it this time. And if you want this graphic, just put no in the elements and you'll get it. They did not get it. We also need to be able to always go back home. So make sure that you have this home button as well. Okay, and then cute background. Let's do something light like this one. And that. Okay. So I am going to say that the sandbox, right? The sandbox, I'm going to click on it. There's 3 dots right here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to link, and then I'm going to scroll down pages in this document. And I want the sandbox to be linked to page 2. We're going to click on done. So every time somebody tells me they think it's the sandbox, well, I'm going to click on that sandbox. It's going to go to this page. They need to answer to open the gift box. And that gift box, once they tell me the correct answer is 3, then I'm going to grab and I'm going to click on the gift box. I'm going to link that to 3. I'm done. And I was like, oh no, that wasn't it. Like that wasn't the answer, right? And then we're going to go back home. So that's why this one's really important. So I'm going to grab this and you're going to 3 dots, you're going to link it back to the first one. And now I'm going to do it again, just one more time so I could show you how it works, okay? I'm going to open a new slide and I'm going back home. I think I want her. Or yeah, I'm going to grab her. So number 4, I am going to ask the question. I'm going to go back just so I can use copy and paste. And I want this to say 2 plus 2. Still going to get the gift box copy. And I have 2 plus 2. And you have to be careful here because when you see that, it's already linked and we don't want that link to that page. So make sure that you just delete that link. Okay, so now I'm here, I have 2 plus 2. They need to open the gift and that gift box is going to be linked to the 5th page. We're going to press done. And the 5th page is going to have the heart. And let's say that the heart is the one that the winner. That's the winner, 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 winner. How cute is that, huh? And I'm going to link page 4 to her. We said, right? Go here. We're going to link it to page 4. Okay, now that that's done, let's go ahead and see how it looks like. And then you guys can see how everything is super interactive and super cute. Okay, so we're going to present. So we're going to go to presenter's view. And yes, we're going to go to presenter view, I think. So we're going to got it. And then there. And then let's get started. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so let's say that I said it's the sandbox. I'm going to click on the sandbox. And it's going to go here. Then I'm going to click on this and it's going to go here. And then I go back home. You guys see that? Oh, I think it's her. I think she's the one. I think that that's where the heart is, right? You're going to click it. You answer the question. You click on that. Like, oh, yes, that's it. Awesome. So it's really just such a cute game. You guys, this could last forever. Like, let's say that you're a middle school teacher. Let me tell you how I would do this, okay? I used to teach middle school. So I would put all their favorite graphics up in this big, like, they're into whatever they're into, their games or whatever. I would put all those graphics and I would upload them to Canva. And I would say, okay, you guys need to look for, the golden star. Whoever finds a golden star gets a free homework pass or something like that. So 1 minute before class, one kid at a time can go ahead and tell me, tell me, like, if you guys don't have that much time, like you're a classroom teacher, this is just so fun because it's going to make the kids want to go to the end of the class and they're going to ask you for this. So at the end of class, like, okay, what do you think it is? Like, picked a, like, they're like, oh, it's Pikachu or something. I don't know. Now I click on Pikachu. It's like, okay, okay, we reviewed this in class. What is it, you guys? Such a great way to review. Like, this is amazing. You review, you got it, boom, like, oh yeah, you got the homework, something like that. And then you can go in again and adjust this however you like. So it's just awesome. It's gold. Trust me. Use this in your classroom. If you do, let me know if your kiddos like it or not. All right. Well, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.